You are here because we are the best at what we do.
And every single one of you has a spark inside. Every single one of you has a goddamn spark inside.
We're going to go out and give a hand to whoever that need help. Now who's with me?
CD, you hired me because you believed in me. I know it, you all did.
We've trained every day, through the good, through the bad.
There is no greater warrior than a parent protecting their child. And I am ready to fight.
I'm simply here to tell you, you have to make a decision. Are you going to stand for what you fought for? Are you going to stand for what you sacrificed for? Blood, sweat, and tears go into what you want in life.
Who's with me?
Yeah!
I want you guys to seize this opportunity, to grab onto it with both hands.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you want it?
Yes!
Then let's go! Go get it!
Yeah, I'm with it.
Who is with me?
You've got one chance, one life. Do you want to be ordinary?
Let's do this, guys.